Hello everyone, my name is Manharshi Jadeja. Today in this video I am going to talk about the overloading and overriding in OOPS. So mainly we are going to cover two questions. That first is what is overloading with example or when it occurs. Similarly, we are going to cover what is overriding with example or when it occurs. So first, what is overloading or when it occurs? So we can say that when overloading occurs when I have one class with two methods with same name but different parameters. So when overloading occurs when I have one class, at that time in particular class I have two different method with different parameter but same name. If I'll explain you with an example that I have one method sum in which I have two methods with the same name, that void add and second also void add. And as I said, we will pass the different parameters. So in the first method I am passing the integer a and integer b, while in the second I am passing the boolean a and the boolean b. So whenever I'll try to call from our main method, so if I will pass the parameter as an integer, 1 and 4, so it will call this method and the overload the second method. So at the same time, if I'll call the second method with the boolean parameter, so at that time, so it will overload this first method and run this, or we can say that it will print the output of the second method. Now in the override, we can say that when overriding occurs that I have two different class, that parent and child. So now I have a one method or the multiple method with the same name and same parameter that occurs in the parents and child both, that with same name and also with same parameters. So if I'll give the one example through it, so here you can see that this is the example of the overriding. So as I said, we have a two different class dog and the class hound. So this is the parent class or this is the child class. Here child class extend by the parent class. So here you can say that, as I said, that two methods with the same name and the same parameters. We have two methods with the same name and same parameters in the child and parent class both. So whenever I will call the method from our main class, so it will give the specific chance, or we can say that it will give the specific implementation that methods are already in a parent class. So it will print the output of the child class whenever, so it will override this method. So it will print the bowl. Here you can see the output of that bowl. Now here you can see this is the two different things, that override and the overloading. Here as I mentioned before, that same method name and the same parameter, it will occurs the overriding. Here you can see that we have two same methods that with the same name, that bark and the bar. And here you can see that same parameters we have also. So it will be occurs overriding. In the other side, we have two same methods name, that bark and bark, but we have two different parameters, that here we are passing the integer. So it will occurs to the overloading. So it's all about the overloading and overriding. Thank you.